All right, guys, today is a great day. I showed you guys on how to stake on XRP on our Instagram handle, and today I'll show you guys that the XRP is still running and I have withdrawn over $3,000 from the particular platform. I'll show you guys how to participate and how to still withdraw if you have been participating on the particular platform. So let's get started. To participate, you have to visit stakexrp.net. I'm going to be having the link on the description. Okay, so it's all about to stake your XRP to earn. And the good thing about this particular platform, you can withdraw with USDT, you can withdraw with your BTC. Okay, so each one you want to withdraw with, okay, you can read about them and how it works. Okay, so now you already know that repo is one of the major cryptocurrency market, and for you to stake, you're going to be making high a lot, because the more people stake, the more you make on this particular website. So repo is the big cryptocurrency right now. Okay, so now to participate, you're going to be having an account. You click on start stake now. So here you're going to be having your registered account, so you can go through it to register. I already have an account, so what I'm going to be doing is just to log in. Okay, so I'm going to be signing in with my registration account. Okay, so you can see I'm already in, and I still have over 150 repo. For I to withdraw, all you have to do is just to click on withdraw right now and select if you want to use your XRP wallet or you want to add a new wallet. Okay, so now how does this work? You just click on stake XRP. Okay, so you can choose XRP and you can stake as minimum as 50 XRP. Okay, so now we're going to go back to our dashboard right here and show you guys how to withdraw. So for you to withdraw, you just click on withdraw right here. But before that, let's check how much you're going to be making on XRP. So here you can drag this calculator right here. So if I stake, so right here, if I stake 900 XRP, I'm going to be making 3,000 XRP at the end of the day. So now, let's withdraw our XRP, and this particular platform, you can go through them on Twitter handle and check more about them. So now for you to withdraw, you just click on withdraw right here. Okay, you can click on withdraw. So here you can select to withdraw with XRP, or you can add another wallet. Okay, so for you to add another wallet, click on add new, then you select Bitcoin right here. So here you can copy your BTC wallet, maybe from your Trust wallet or your exchange. Okay, so you come to your Trust wallet right here, so you can copy your wallets right here. Okay, click on BTC, then you add your wallet right here. So my wallet has been added successfully. So what I'm going to do is to click on dashboards right here and click on withdraw. Then I'll select BTC. So here you're going to be asked how amount you want to withdraw. So the amount I want to withdraw here, particular video, I'll be withdrawing 50 XRP. So I'll click withdraw. So my withdrawal is successful, so I'm going to wait for it to reflect on my Trust wallet. Okay, so wait for it to withdraw to my Trust wallet. Because I'm using a BTC wallet, it's going to take some time. You can see here, before I was having 3,143, so I'm going to be waiting for the new withdrawal to arrive. Like I told you guys, that if you stake, your staking lasts for a day before you can withdraw. Okay, so let's wait for the withdrawal to arrive. So my Trust wallet, you can see right here, I have $3,300. That is plus $156. Okay, so guys, I'll check this platform out and drop a comment under this particular video. And if you have issue, you can easily write to their customer support. And thank you for watching.